Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry RVs, and if you're like me, you have got a case of cabin fever. It's been a long winter, hasn't it? So for the month of April, we at Paul Sherry RVs are having an open house right here in Piqua, Ohio, and we welcome you to visit our website at paulsherryrvs.com, where you'll find over 400 RVs on sale at the very best price in the United States. If you're in the area, we welcome you to come to our store. Come to our store and experience the inside and outsides of brand new 2019s and even brand new 2020 RVs coming in the store daily. We have a great selection of brand new travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, both Class A's and Class C's, along with a great selection of pre-owned certified campers right here at Paul Sherry RVs. Come see why we have over 400 satisfied customers who have left us Google reviews from all across the country, many of them traveling many hours to do business right here in Piqua, Ohio at Paul Sherry RVs. If you're looking to upgrade your current camper, we would love to have your trade. For the month of April, we are paying top dollar for all pre-owned RVs. So fill out your trade-in form on our website at paulsherryrvs.com. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.